Hello and welcome to today's video, and this video is about high bay lights, but the main reason is for the LED replacement corn lamps. So in the high bay lamps that you'll probably see is this kind of setup: metal halide lamp, ballast, igniter and a capacitor, and all this has to be bypassed when fitting a corn lamp. I can't turn this light on because at the moment it is bypassed. There's no power on at the moment, but I've wired directly to the bayonet fitting, bypassing the ballast equipment. Obviously high bay lamps also used to use mercury vapor bulbs, so the technology's gone mercury vapor. Metal halide. And today we're using replacements like this, or we're now completely giving up with the old lamps and changing them to more modern replacements. The 5 LEDs that are marked are causing a problem with this lamp. This lamp is heavily used, and basically it now only works about a third of the brightness. So I'm going to show you some information on the light. It's a LED corn lamp. It's 120 watts consumption, 6000K E40 screw fitting, so it's the large one. It runs between 96 and 230 volts AC, and in the UK we can be touching somewhere between 240 and sometimes even 250 volts, so we can slightly overrun these lamps. The item number is 832146, and we've also got a BN number of 101291 and a internet address at the bottom. There are some other little stickers on here. We've got, I think, just basically stickers confirming QC passed, our little sticker and something else. There are a total of 896 LEDs on this lamp. There are 56 on the end, and there are 12 rows, all containing 70 LEDs, and these seem to be broken up into groups of 5. Now, I'm not going to tell you the consumption of the LEDs because I just don't know, but what we'll do is we'll turn it on and then I'll show you what happens when I turn it off. Now, I don't know if these lights do it all the time, but when you turn off this light, all the lights go out except this set, which for a second gets brighter, apart from these 5 LEDs which aren't lit at all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it on now in 3, 2, 1. And these are the LEDs, and the only thing I can say about it is it's bright, but it isn't that bright. Compared to this is barely on. In fact, at the end of the video I'll wire up this back up, and then we'll see the old metal halide lamp come back onto full brightness, and you'll be able to tell straight away that this light is brighter than this LED lamp. But I'm going to now turn off the LED lamp and you'll see this strange effect that this lamp has. As I said again, I don't know if this is normal, but there is something going on. You can also hear a noise, which is like a computer fan which is inside the light trying to draw air through. Now obviously when these lights were fitted in the school, which are currently being changed again by the electrician friend, these were mounted this way in a gymnasium or something, and I don't know if these lights are meant to be mounted up and down or horizontally. It doesn't say on the lamp. I don't know if it says on the box, but I haven't got the box because this is an old lamp, and I said the lamp itself is gone and has been replaced by one of the new LED equivalent high bay lamps, which just is LEDs, a driver, and the old lamp is completely gone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it off now and we'll see if it shows the fault. There you go. I'll do that once more. If you want to, you can try and pause it, and then if anyone has any idea of what's happening here, you can let us know in the comments below. But again, I'll turn it off. There. Those 5 LEDs go out with all the others, but the rest slowly fade out. The size of these things is quite amazing actually, compared to a normal light bulb, which I have. Well, I've got a collection of light bulbs which you'll see in a future video. We've got, there's a small CFL, there's a slightly bigger CFL, and here is a standard light bulb, but this is the halogen version, not an incandescent. As you can see, it's tiny. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn this back on for a bit, and then I'm going to pause the video and convert this light back so we can run the metal hay lamp to finish this video. So I'm just going to pause this video now, and I'll see you in a few minutes once I've rewired it. Hello and welcome back, and I suppose might as well count up to 3 and hit it. 1, 2, 3. They make great sounds, these lights do. And it's a great colour as well. Starts off a very blue colour, and then as it gets up to full brightness, it'll suddenly go to that warmer colour that metal halides go. As you see now, it's very flickery blue. But while that's doing that, I'll show you the corner lamp one last time, and now you can actually see through this light. The fan is about here, or no, it's just here actually. This is where the fan is, and basically it draws air through to try and keep the lights cold or the LEDs cool, but something has gone very wrong with this lamp. It also smells like burnt circuit board as well, And of course you can't touch these when they're on, because all the connections are all exposed. So if I touch this light when it was on, I would get an electric shock. There we go again. This is the LED corn lamp replacement, and behind it is the original metal halide lamp that we all know. And as I remove this corn lamp, you will see that the corn lamp is a lot brighter. So finally, mercury vapor, metal halide, and the corn lamp LED replacement. I'd like to say thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. And thanks again for watching. And goodbye. Some further information. I've now got the fluorescent lighting working in the destination equipment, so I'll be showing that in a future video, and then I'll go back to showing the destination working with its correct lighting. Like I said, thanks again for watching, and goodbye.